Hermes, Chanel, Cartier, Dior, Gucci, Versace, the top luxury brands of the world. क्या आप जानते हैं इन सब में कॉमन क्या है? The extensive use of Indian handicraft in their product since 1980s. India actually supplies about 95% of the world's handwoven fabric, making it the second largest employment industry after agriculture, employing about 3.5 million people. In fact, during the reign of Louis XIV, the ethnic weave like chintz and calicos were deeply adored in France. So much so that by the year 1686, French government को इनके import पर ban लगाना पड़ा to protect its own domestic textile market. But interestingly, इस ban ने इन्हें more exclusive बना दिया amongst the nobility and upper class. और यही काम इंडियन कॉटन वीविंग ने ब्रिटेन में किया, where import of Indian cotton made English wool weaving industry obsolete. But over the time, colonial exploitation and cultural appropriation led to design proliferation. For example, आज जिस मोटिव को पीसले के नाम से जाना जाता है, it's a cheap copy of कश्मीरी शॉल, जिसके मोटिव को कश्मीरी बूटा के नाम से जाना जाता था. In the 18th century, a small Scottish town called Paisley became successful in reproducing the cheap version of Kashmiri shawl, and eventually they claimed and renamed the motif as Paisley. As a matter of fact, India hardly got its credit of the fine art on international stage. In fact, its association has been kept as trade secrets by the international brands. As per one of the famous Indian export house, आज जब हम एक एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पैनल यूरोप फैशन हाउस को एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, जिसका इस्तेमाल वो अपने फिनिश गुड्स में करते हैं, उसे उस कंट्री का टैग दिया जाता है जहां वो प्रोडक्ट फिनिश हुई है, rather than made in India, even if majority of product consists the exported embroidered panel. The big export houses have now started raising concern about the credit, at least asking for embellished in India tag to give Indian handicraft the place it deserves. Hermes को Made in India tag लगाने में 15 साल लगे and finally 2005 या 6 में पहली बार उन्होंने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स पर Made in India tag का इस्तेमाल किया. और जाते जाते बस इतना कहूंगी कि आपको अगर कोई इंडियन हैंडीक्राफ्ट ब्रांड का सामान कॉस्टली लगे तो आप याद रखें कि आपकी इस खरीदारी से कई आर्टिसान्स को काम, एक वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड क्राफ्ट को क्रेडिट और आपको एक luxurious and exquisite craft fraction of price में मिल रहा than what it's available in international market. Join us for more informative videos and support our journey towards revival of craft, culture and heritage by subscribing to our channel below.